Today we're making Aloo Palak. In this video you need the following ingredients: 2 potatoes, 4 onions, 1 teaspoon of cumin, which is jeera, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, which is haldi, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 600 grams of baby spinach, 100 grams of fresh fenugreek, which is methi, 1 green chilli for a mild recipe, half a bulb of garlic, 50 grams of fresh ginger, and 70 grams of butter. You can swap this for ghee, or if you want to make it vegan, you can use oil. Peel, wash and chop the onions into small pieces. Melt the butter in a pan, add about a teaspoon of oil just so it stops it burning, and you can throw in your onions. Let these cook on a medium gas. After 5 minutes you'll see that the colour starts to change and they start to go a bit golden. You can add in your chopped ginger, garlic and chilli. After a few minutes, throw in the methi. At this point we can also add in our spices. That's our salt, our cumin, our turmeric and our garam masala. Give it a good mix. We're going to let that cook for another 5 minutes while we prepare the potatoes. Peel, wash and chop them into little squares and add them into the pan. Keep the gas on low while we get the spinach ready. After giving it a good wash with salt water, we're going to chop the spinach roughly into pieces. If you don't do this, you'll get long strings in your aloo palak. Once that's chopped, throw it into the pan and we're going to let it all cook for about 40 minutes on a low gas, covered. To finish it off, you can add in some fresh paneer. If you don't know how to make this, you can find the video on our channel. I've shallow fried the paneer here and it's come out so nice. This recipe is beautiful. Look how delicious that looks. Oh, and if you like this video, a sub to the channel would be epic. What do you guys prefer? Aloo palak or palak paneer? Let me know in the comments below. See you on the next one.